Ultraman is a Japanese superhero. His job is to protect Earth from monsters. While that is a worthwhile pursuit, Ultraman did something even better. Scroll down to see and learn about this superhero's latest adventure. A tiny 3-day-old kitten was found and rescued by a Japanese family. He was all alone. The family named the kitten Koma and gave him a friend and protector, Ultraman. Ultraman was about the same size as the kitten, so it made sense. The family also wanted to document Koma's growth in the coming weeks, and the Ultraman figurine was the perfect companion. Being creative, they posted Ultraman next to the sleeping Koma to make it look as if Ultraman is watching over him. A gentle pat on the head for Koma, as Ultraman lets him know he isn't alone anymore. The Japanese superhero took time off from battling evil to help Koma take his first steps. After a morning of play, the dynamic duo cuddled up to take a nap. It wasn't long before Koma outgrew his protector, but in size only. The two still play together. Loving glances between these best friends. Ultraman still enjoys watching his little buddy sleep. Koma and Ultraman are enjoying a game in and around the cat fort. Wow, look how big Koma is now! Koma has gotten too big for Ultraman to wrap his arms around him, but the hero still gives it a try. "10 months ago, Koma was rescued. He has flourished under the loving care of his human family and his hero, Ultraman. Share away, people."